I am Akbar the Great, born on October 15, 1542, in Umarkot in Sindh. My life began as a prince on the run because my father, Humayun, had lost the Mughal throne. But fate had other plans, and by 13, I became the ruler of the Mughal Empire. My journey was one of resilience, ambition, and vision, and I grew to become one of India's most renowned leaders. My empire expanded swiftly, stretching from Afghanistan to the Deccan Plateau. But I wanted more than mere territory. To me, true strength lay in unity. My rule was defined by religious tolerance, a concept that was unheard of at the time. I created a policy called Sul-e-Kul, or peace with all, which welcomed people of all faiths. Hindu, Jain, Christian, Muslim. My court was a place where all could thrive. I even abolished the jizya tax on non-Muslims and allowed marriages between Muslim and Hindu nobility. My closest advisors and generals were diverse, a testament to my belief that strength lay in diversity. One of my proudest creations was the city of Fatehpur Sikri, my royal capital near Agra. Built in 1571, this city showcased the genius of Mughal architecture and became a symbol of my reign. Today, Fatehpur Sikri still stands, a UNESCO World Heritage Site where people walk through palaces, mosques, and public halls, marveling at the stone-carved artwork that blends Islamic, Hindu, and Persian styles. I loved art, and I transformed my empire into a canvas of creativity. I gathered artists, poets, scholars, and musicians from across Asia and beyond. This flowering of the arts became known as the Mughal school of painting, famous for its intricate miniatures and lifelike portraits. Today, my legacy in art continues, as Mughal miniatures are treasured worldwide. I ordered translations of Sanskrit texts like the Mahabharata and Ramayana into Persian, bridging cultures through knowledge. My court became a place where the finest minds discussed philosophy, science, and spirituality. I was also a warrior. My armies were formidable, but I also knew when to seek alliances. I married Hindu princesses, a strategy to build unity and trust. With my reforms in the military and administration, I created a government that ran smoothly across vast lands and diverse peoples. I also introduced mansabdari, a system that organized the nobility and military into ranks, or mansabs, ensuring loyalty and efficiency. This system influenced administration long after my reign ended. I died on October 27, 1605, but my contributions are woven into India's heritage. The Din-i-Ilahi, a new faith I tried to establish, didn't survive my death but remains a powerful symbol of my quest for harmony. My innovations in administration and art became blueprints for future rulers, and my beloved Fatehpur Sikri is a lasting testament to my dreams. I am Akbar the Great, and my story reminds the world of the power of tolerance, the beauty of diversity, and the strength found in peace.